Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you articles. There are 26 letters in our English alphabet. Among them, we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and rest 21 are known as consonants. While using these articles, we have to keep in our mind these vowels and consonants. There are 3 articles: A, N, and the. A and N are known as indefinite articles, and they are used before any one of a group of things. While the is used, the is known as the indefinite article, so it is used before the words that are specific ones. Now let's start. What are the rules to use A and N and the? A and the. First of all, I will explain you the use of A and N. In your book, this green part in the page is given, and you can read it well and listen to me. We use A before the words that begin with the consonant sound. We have to keep in mind the sound of letters. Consonant like boy starts with B. Cat starts with C. So, I saw a boy. A cat is running very fast. Any cat could be. This is not a specific one. So we can use A before the word that begins with a consonant sound. On the other hand, we use N instead of A before the word that begin with the vowel sound. Vowel sound means if I have a word eagle, I saw an eagle on a tree. Eagle is starting with E, and it is also having a sound, vowel sound. These are the 2 basic rules. A will be used before the words that begin with a consonant sound, and N is used before the words that start with vowels. But there is a little difference between these ones also. Sometimes we have letters that are starting with consonant, but they don't give a consonant sound. That letter is silent, so we use that place N, like R, H-O-U-R, H-O-U-R, like this, R. This word is M-A. These words are starting with consonant, but when we pronounce them, they give us a vowel sound, N-R. So we will be using N before R, H-O-U-R, R. But when we pronounce it, H is silent and the sound comes R, vowel sound. So N will be used, like M-A. M-A. It is starting with a consonant M, but we will be having a vowel sound, so we will be using here N, N-M-A. Mridula is an M.A. in history. So These points you have to keep in your mind while using N also. On the other hand, there are some other words that are using with the vowel word, but they are giving a consonant sound, like a university. University word is starting with U. U is a vowel, but when we pronounce it, it gives us a consonant sound. University, your sound. Animary is a European. This European word is starting with E, a vowel one, but when we pronounce it, it gives a consonant sound. So we will be using here A. These are the basic rules to use A and N. Now we discuss about the definite articles. The. As the name shows, the is used before the definite articles. First of all, we will see what can be the definite one. Like number 1, you keep in your mind the mountain ranges. These mountain ranges are the definite one. They are there at their places. They never change their place. These are the one only in the world. Like the Alps. The Alps are the one only. The Himalayas, the Nilgiris. These are the different names of the mountains situated at different places. So these are the specific one. So we will be using the before them. Number 2, oceans and seas. If we have oceans, name of the oceans or seas, like the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, these are the specific oceans. And the Arabian Sea, these are the specific ones. These are only one among the oceans. So we will be using here the. Number 3, rivers. Like the Ganges, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra, the Indus, the Amazon. These are the specific rivers at different places. Their name are specific ones, so we will be using the before them. Now next is famous monuments. Famous monuments means the things that are special one, like Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is one in the world. The Qutub Minar is the one in the world. The Vivekananda Memorial. These are the special things, so they will be using the before them. Now talk about some name of the books and newspapers. Like Bible, the Bible. Newspapers, the Times of India, the Hindu, the Tribune. So these are the special names of the newspapers, and we will be using the before them. Things that are only one of their kind. These are the things of universe. Means these are only one in the universe. Like the earth, the sun, the moon. These are only one in the universe. These are very specific ones, so we will be using the. Apart from these, you keep in your mind whenever we are using the superlative degree, it will also require the before them. Like Gopal is the best child in the class. We are telling Gopal a specific one, and he is the specific one among all in the class. So we will be using the before the superlative degree. Some of the countries' names that are having in 2 or 3 words, they also take the before them, like the United States, the USA, United States of America. So they will also take the before them. And one more thing, if we have introduced something earlier and again we are using it, it becomes the special one. I saw a jungle. A jungle could be anyone. It can be anywhere. But if we talk about that special jungle again, then we will be using the before that. Like I saw a lion in a jungle. And again, if we are talking about lion, then we will be using the before it. The lion was very fearful. The lion was sleeping in the cave, in the den. So, in the stories, if something is introduced and we are talking about something again and again, then we will be using the before those words. And we will be having a practice of these articles in the given exercises. So, children, you please listen to the video again and again and learn to use a, an, and the in these sentences. You revise these rules again and you listen to the videos again, and I am giving you the PDF of these exercises and you fill those exercises in your book. Thank you.